Hey guys, my name is Scott and welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. For today's video, we're going to be reviewing the ALLPOWERS solar panel, portable solar panels, and also the ALLPOWERS portable power station. Combined, it makes for a beautiful team. So let's go ahead and show you guys what we're dealing with. Alright, so this is ALLPOWERS portable solar panels. What I love about these is they all fold up. So this whole thing folds into one square. It's not that heavy, but yet they pull in a lot of power. And down here, we have the heart of it all. So right now it's a beautiful day, but the sun is being blocked, so it's not getting full power. But we can take a look and see here at the panel. So right now we're pulling in about 40 watts. And what I love about this setup is you got a 12 volt. You have two AC plugs, or I should say ports. And you turn them on by pressing the button. You have two Type-C ports, two USB ports. You have a light, which is super bright even during the day. It's nice and sleek design. You can wirelessly charge your cell phone on here. Comes with a really nice handle. You can also power this with your standard house AC if you want. But here we have our solar panel connected. Together, this makes an amazing off-grid setup. If you're going camping, if you're off-grid, if you need a bug-out system, this is definitely something you're going to want to look into. Let's see if we can get more power here. Oh, there we go. Take a look at that. So by laying it out, we were able to pick it up to almost 80 watts. Again, the sun is still half blocked. Actually, right now it's in a cloud. You guys can see it's hidden behind those clouds there, and it's still pulling in. There we go, 85 watts, 86, 88, 92. Oh my goodness, my friends, whoa. And it's still blocked behind those clouds, my friends. And the panels work best when they're at an angle and not flat. So we're not even pulling in the potential that these panels can pull in. But as you guys can see over here, it is a complete package. It is everything you need. You need your power bank, great. You need your panels to charge it, great. This is a camping essential, a bug out bag need, and this is a prepper's must. And the great thing is you can use these panels with other power banks. And you can use this power bank with other brand solar panels. It's a 2-in-1 combo pow mix, and I think you guys are gonna be very happy. I know I am, because this is going to power so many devices for us. No longer do I have to worry about, oh, if I'm filming off-grid in the mountains, what am I going to do to charge my cameras, my equipment, my gear? No worries, my friends. Now, take a look at this. Fold. Let's fold the panel up. Just like this. So guys, as we fold it up, might take a little bit to get used to how to fold it. Alright, let's see here. Oh, okay, I got you. So it folds like this. Pop it into place. Now, we just simply disconnect. We can wrap this inside here if we want, which we'll go ahead and we'll do that. I don't know if you guys can see, but we'll wrap this right in here. Takes less than a minute to do everything. And now, we're ready to go camping.